To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Next, tap the Calls tab located at the bottom right corner. On the next screen, tap the green New Call button to continue. Here, you'll find the new Schedule Call feature. If it's not visible, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version. Now tap on it. A scheduling screen will appear showing the call title, where you can add an optional description. Next, select the scheduled call's date, start time, and end date with time. You may also remove the end time if desired. Then, choose the call type, voice or video. Once everything is set, tap the Send button below. Now, select the person you want to invite. And finally, tap the Send button. The scheduled call invitation will then be delivered to the selected person, and they'll receive a notification with the call details and timing. If you want to make changes, simply tap Edit Event on the post. Now you can update the description, add a location, change the call type, enable guest permissions, or cancel the event. After making your changes, tap the Send button to save. This feature allows you to plan and customize calls in advance, ensuring better coordination and convenience. So that's how you can use the new Schedule Call feature on WhatsApp.